In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how you can make an extra $80 per day with CPA marketing and Bing ads in 2020. Now, about this method, it's very beginner friendly. You don't even need a website, you don't need an email list, following, sales funnel, none of that crazy stuff. All you need is a few dollars, well, not a few dollars, y'all know what I mean. You know, $25 to $100 a day is your daily budget to run over on Bing ads. Y'all know this involves paid traffic. By the title of this video, CPA marketing and Bing ads. So y'all know the drill, man. If you've been following my channel, you know all I've pretty much been doing this year is mainly running CPA and affiliate offers, direct linking over on Bing. So like I said, you don't need an email list, none of that crazy stuff. So what I'm be doing is picking I already got the offer in mind that I'm be using as an example throughout the rest of this video. But what I'm be doing is selecting the offer inside this network. Y'all know, y'all been following my channel, I haven't really talked about any other networks outside of Max Bounty, Cash Network, or ClickBank. So this is kind of new for me. I never talked about this network. This is actually one of my favorite networks. I made, I want to say, a couple $1,000s in this network within the last year or so, for more than one offer. But yeah, if you're interested in this network, it's very easy to get into. I believe it's instant approval. Don't quote me, but I definitely believe it's instant approval. If you want to get inside of this network, just come to Affiliaxe.com, or Affiliaxe, whatever you want to call it. Click on get started. The sign up is like any other CPA network: first name, last name, email, address, password, things like that. And I know you got to fill out the rest of the tax details, like your W-9 or whatever country that you're in, whatever form that y'all use, your tax form. And also they got if you can make a welcome bonus, they give you a $1,000 welcome bonus. More than likely, it got something to do with you earning over $1,000 a month to get that welcome bonus. So you probably have to make over $1,000 for the first 3 months to get that bonus. I did that in Max Bounty and got the bonus myself. They added it onto my paycheck and I was good to go. If you want more reviews on this CPA network, if you're new to it, you can always go to affpan.com/affiliatex to see some reviews on it. Minimum payment is $100. Like Max Bounty, I think all CPA networks for the most part is $100 minimum payment. Then you got networks like Cash Network that want like $500 before they issue a payment. Payment frequencies, they start you off definitely at net 15, where it's basically whatever you make in January, you'll get paid February on the 15th. Whatever you make in February, you'll get paid in March 15th, and so on and so forth. And as you start making more money, you get paid bi-weekly and then weekly, of course. They got check, PayPal, Payoneer, that's what I use, Wire, Web Money. I think they got something to do with Bitcoin. And then they got Bitcoin itself. You get referral commissions if you're into that. But another thing too, they show you how many offers is inside the network, and they show you the exact offers right under that. So that's what I used to do. Since I already got my Max Money account, so no need for me to go through all the affiliate offers because I'm already inside. But if you was interested in the network before you signed up, you could look at all the offers, which is cool. But for, oops, not mean to click on that, but like I said earlier in the video, we already got an example pulled up. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to direct link a campaign over on Bing. So we're gonna be using this example right here: Skin Cell Pro, Mole and Skin Tag Remover, CPA, desktop and mobile, and you get paid $80 for every sale. Always look at the, why do I keep doing that? I'm not even on Affpan no more. But always look at the offer descriptions, the guidelines and restrictions on all of them, so that way you ain't doing something out of line, get pulled from the offer or the network. So all banners and bridge pages, we are not. Direct linking is forbidden in case of email traffic. Please use pre-lenders. This offer, blah blah blah. So we good to go. Promotion allowed. They allow search. No brand bidding, no incentives. Desktop, mobile, good to go. What I always do is preview the landing page. I already got it opened up in a new tab. Very clean. Now y'all know a lot of offers, like a lot of health related offers, you know, got the same exact looking page, just different colors and different content. But these must convert at a super high rate because, like I said, everybody's using them. So we're gonna take this for an example. And if we go over on Bing, since we're gonna be using Bing as our traffic source, what I like to do is pull up ads related to mole and skin tag removal. So let me see, skin tag removal. just find some ads and see what people is, you know, seeing what the competition is hitting on. What I like to do too when I'm checking out the competition is make notes of everything, all the ad copies that stick out to me. I'll just copy it myself and use it in my own ads. Real simple. Now, the more advanced way is just going, you know, coming up with these ad copies yourself. A lot of people just copy it and run it that way, which works too. I made a lot of money doing that, but most of my ads right now is all custom. You know, I came up with it myself. Let's see. You can delete his link. We're not gonna use that. So, link. #1 skin tag remover. Remove skin tags in 3 days. Remove skin tags permanently in 3 days. Do it from home. 100% safe and pain-free solution. So that's one ad copy. What you could do is make a few of them. So whichever one stick out to you. That's normally what I do. Skin tag. Okay, so there you go. Got a whole nother one. Matter of fact, I think this is somebody actually promoting the same offer as this. Skin Cell Pro. Yep, so they send them to an advertorial first, and then more than likely when they click anywhere on this page, it's gonna take them straight to the offer. So let's see. Track, Skin Cell line. So the same offer, different URL, probably in a different network too. You notice the affiliate because you can see right here, AFF equals these set of numbers. That's the affiliate ID. So yeah, it's definitely affiliate promoting the same exact offer. And yeah, I would definitely take his ad copy. I feel like I copied it already, but I don't know. Take this one. Good to go. I'll just delete this part. I'm not using that URL there. Minus ad. So look, there you go. You got 2 nice and clean ad copies right here. Oh, right here I need to replace a link. So yeah, you got 2 good ad copies. Now you all you really need now is a set of keywords you can target. So taking this broad keyword, that's all you really need to find other keywords, because if you go to the bottom of the page, you can see related searches for skin tag removal, and you can just kind of select which ones you want to, whichever keywords you want to use. So keywords, skin tag removal. Let me pick about 5. I really want to pick about 5 or 10 keywords before we go over to Bing and set up a demo campaign. Best over-the-counter skin tag removal. Oh no, not over-the-counter. Let me see. Skin tags removal, home remedy. Maybe want to take that, paste that in there. Let's see, best skin tag and mole removal products. Also want to open that one up and bring up related searches to that. Let's see, paste. Go to the bottom. Best rated skin tag remover. Take that. These keywords similar to this. Best is buy. So for example, best skin tag remover. Buy skin tag remover. Top rated skin tag remover. Like those type of keywords are called buyer keywords. Those are the ones that's converting. That's going to convert the highest. Because there's people that's already in market to buy something. So of course, you know, conversion will happen right after that. So best skin tag remover 2020. We could just update it. Paste that in there. I'm probably just gonna grab one more keyword. Best skin tag. Go to some more related searches. The best skin tag remover. All right, so we can use that. Now paste that. So it's basically all you need. Now, if you want to go a little more advanced, you can go get a tracking tool, which I highly recommend. Because if you're gonna run Bing ads or any type of paid traffic, you really want to know which keyword is getting you to sell, or else you'll just be throwing money down the drain. For example, say for instance, you bidding on all these keywords, you spending $100 a day just to realize only this keyword is getting you sales every day. I mean, you wasting, you know, tons of money on these 5 different keywords that's not making you nothing. So you wouldn't know unless you have a tracking tool set up. That's why I recommend everybody that's taking paid traffic serious to have tracking in place. Now, if I haven't mentioned it, I use ClickMagick myself. I will leave a link in the description. It comes with a 14-day free trial. After that, I think it's like $27 per month, I believe. But yeah, man, just taking this information. We got a couple ad copies. We could just delete this one. I'm not even about to split test right now. But got us ad copies, some sample keywords we could use to target. Now, all you'll do is just come over to Bing Ads. I'm assuming you have an account But if you don't, you can just go to bingads.microsoft.com, set you up with accounts free. Once you're in the dashboard, click on create a campaign. Visit to my website. We can name it Skin Tag Remover or Skin Sale. That's the name of the offer. And just do a skin sale. Budget, like I said, it'd be nice to have a budget of at least $20 a day to run these things. I don't even recommend you getting into paid traffic unless you got $200-300 to test, because a lot of people want to come into paid traffic with $50 to your name, and even if you got the offer to convert, you won't be able to scale it. So there's no point. Yeah, if you're working on a lower budget, I definitely recommend checking out some free traffic strategies to build your budget up so you can run paid traffic. That's what I did. Now I can run hundreds of dollars a day, thousands a day in traffic without losing no sweat. So next thing you want to do, select locations. Now I think this offer, I don't think it was only US. It said best geo is US, so I just target that. United States. Search, target, uncheck this, save and go to the next step. Ad group name, bulk. Now you just grab those keywords right here, paste it in there. You can get more keywords, because once you enter in your keywords, Bing will just give you a bunch of suggestions you can target if you wanted to. But for tutorial sake and time sake, we just gonna save and go to the next step. Now right here is where we will put in our ad. Final URL is the URL that they end up at. So we go back to the offer page, grab our affiliate link, paste it, try skinsaleforyou.net. So this is the final URL. Hopefully it's not one of those offers that redirect. They use a bunch of different URLs. Hope not. So let's see. Now all we gotta do is just put in our ad copy we stole. Copy. Paste, copy this, tracking template. Now this is where we will put our affiliate link. So let's go back and grab it. Tracking template. Now, like I said, if everything is working properly, when you click on test, it should, you'll see it's one of those affiliate links that just redirect to a bunch of different stuff. So let me see if this one works. Skin Sale Cream VIP. I don't know why we having offers like this. It works this time. All right, whatever, man. I'm not even about to. This is how you would set it up, but some offers like this, the final URL redirects a lot. So probably put a bridge page in front of this. After that, you just click on save, or save and create another if you want to use your other ad copies or whatever. But if not, you can just click on save and go to the next step. All right, here you can do manual bids. So if you didn't want Bing up in your bids or whatever, you could just use, for example, 80 cents if you wanted to. And they give you estimated monthly clicks, estimated monthly impressions, estimated spend. A lot of times this be off. They have you thinking you only gonna spend $50 a month, when a lot of times you'll set up a $50 a day campaign. They go spend the whole $50 in the first few hours of the day. So don't really listen to that all the time. Ad distribution, I always like to just do Bing owned and operated. Get the best results with that. Now right here, because I don't really talk about this on the channel that much, but if you want to only target desktop, you would just decrease the tablet bid and the smartphone bid by 100% and just leave it like that. Ad schedule, I normally don't play around with that. Location, I just keep it how it is. Audience ads, I don't mess with that either, but that's pretty much how you would set up a basic, very, very basic direct link campaign for CPA offer. And this is a network that I haven't really talked about too much on my channel, but I believe it's instant approval. So if you want to get started with Affiliaxe, I will leave a link in the description below. But if I forget, just type it in yourself, man. Very, very easy to get into. And they got a $1,000 bonus if you can make $1,000 a month consistently for your first few months inside the network. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on post notifications to be notified when I make more videos like this. And if you want more training, I have an elite course in the description. Should be like the first link or whatever, where I cover Bing ads in detail. And I also have Facebook ads training in here as well if you're interested in that. But yeah, man, that's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.